Hello, fellow food lovers and travelers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for discovering the most delicious, unique, and traditional foods from every corner of the world. If you're passionate about exploring cultures, learning about diverse cuisines, and tasting the foods that make every holiday special, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on more incredible food journeys. The holiday season is a time of celebration, gratitude, and togetherness. It's also the perfect opportunity to indulge in traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. From Christmas in Europe to Lunar New Year in Asia, every culture has its own way of celebrating with food that tells a story. Each dish is not just a meal, it's a celebration of family, history, and heritage. In this episode, we're diving into holiday feasts from around the globe, exploring the most iconic traditional dishes served during some of the world's most beloved celebrations. Whether it's Christmas, Diwali, or Eid, we'll show you what's on the table during these festive occasions. Let's begin this global culinary journey. 1. Christmas in France, a bounty of French holiday cuisine. In France, Christmas is a time for family gatherings, festive decorations, and, of course, sumptuous meals. The French celebrate Christmas with a festive meal called la, served on Christmas Eve. This meal is often enjoyed after attending midnight mass, and it includes an array of traditional dishes that vary by region but always reflect luxury, flavor, and rich history. Key dishes in a French Christmas feast. Foie gras. Foie gras, the rich and decadent duck or goose liver pita, is a classic French delicacy often served as a starter. It's typically paired with toasted bread or sliced fruits, and it symbolizes luxury and abundance during the holiday season. Oysters in many regions of France, particularly along the coast. Oysters are a favorite part of the Christmas feast. They are often served raw on the half shell, sometimes with a drizzle of lemon or a mignonette sauce, representing prosperity and wealth for the coming year. Roast poultry. Roast turkey or duck is typically the centerpiece of the French Christmas table. The bird is often stuffed with a flavorful mixture of chestnuts, herbs, and fruits before being slow roasted to perfection. It's a dish that celebrates the abundance of the holiday season. Bûche de Nouilles. For dessert, bûche de Nouilles, yule log, is a must-have. This traditional French dessert is made from sponge cake, shaped like a log, covered with chocolate buttercream. It's decorated with edible mushrooms, holly leaves, and sometimes even powdered sugar to look like snow. Cultural significance. French Christmas cuisine is about celebrating luxury, family, and the culinary artistry of the country. The dishes served represent abundance, prosperity, and a reflection of French gastronomy and regional traditions. 2. Christmas in Mexico, a feast full of flavor and family. In Mexico, Christmas is a time to gather with family and friends to celebrate with food, music, and joyous festivities. The Christmas holiday is celebrated with a variety of traditional foods that bring a sense of warmth and community. The centerpiece of the Christmas feast is often Nochebuena, the Christmas Eve dinner. Key dishes in Mexican Christmas celebrations. Bacalao, a la salted cod stew, a traditional Christmas dish in Mexico. Bacalao is made from salted cod that is stewed with tomatoes, olives, capers, and potatoes. The stew is rich, flavorful, and perfect for a festive meal. Tamales. Tamales are a beloved dish during Christmas in Mexico. Masa corn dough is filled with a variety of fillings, from meat to cheese, chilies, or even sweet treats, and wrapped in corn husks before being steamed. Tamales are often served as part of a large family feast, symbolizing community and family unity. Ponche, a warm fruit punch. Punch is made from hibiscus, guava, apples, sugarcane, and cinnamon. It's typically served hot, sometimes with a splash of rum, and is perfect for sharing with loved ones. Rosca de Reyes, Three Kings cake, although more traditional for Epiphany. This sweet bread is often enjoyed during Christmas. Rosca de Reyes is decorated with candied fruits, symbolizing the jewels of the Three Kings, and is typically shared among family and friends, bringing good luck for the new year. Cultural significance. Mexican Christmas feasts are about togetherness, sharing, and celebrating the richness of Mexican culture. The food reflects family unity and the importance of giving thanks for the blessings of the past year. 3. Diwali in India, a celebration of lights and sweets. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is the most celebrated Hindu festival in India. The holiday marks the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Diwali is a time for family reunions, decorating homes with oil lamps, bursting fireworks, and, of course, enjoying a wide array of festive foods. Key dishes during Diwali. Samosas. Samosas are crispy deep-fried pastries, filled with spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat. They are a perfect snack during Diwali, served with a variety of chutneys, such as tamarind or mint. Laddu. Laddu is a round, sweet treat made from chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. and flavored with ingredients like cardamom or pistachio. These sweet balls are shared with family and friends as a symbol of good fortune and prosperity. Barfi. Barfi is a fudge-like dessert made from condensed milk and sugar. It's often flavored with rosewater, pistachios, or coconut, and it is typically garnished with edible silver leaf for a touch of elegance. Çolbaşı. This is a traditional dish consisting of chickpeas cooked with tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices, served with deep-fried bread called böğür. It's a flavorful, spicy dish enjoyed by many during the Diwali celebrations. Cultural significance. Diwali food symbolizes prosperity, good health, and joy. The sharing of food is a symbol of love and community, reinforcing the values of unity and gratitude. For Christmas in Japan, a unique fusion of tradition and modernity. In Japan, Christmas is celebrated in a uniquely modern and commercial way. Though not a traditional holiday in the sense of religious observance, it has become a widely celebrated occasion marked by gatherings and, most notably, food. Many Japanese families enjoy a festive meal together on Christmas Eve, and the most popular dish is, quite surprising, fried chicken. Key dishes in Japanese Christmas. KFC, fried chicken. Yes, KFC has become synonymous with Christmas in Japan. Due to a successful marketing campaign in the 1970s, fried chicken has become a Christmas tradition, and many Japanese families order a bucket of KFC for their Christmas dinner. It's an unexpected but beloved tradition. Christmas cake. Unlike the traditional fruitcake, the Japanese Christmas cake is a sponge cake covered with whipped cream and decorated with strawberries. This light, fluffy cake is a popular treat during Christmas, symbolizing joy and celebration. Oysters and shrimp. In some regions, grilled oysters and shrimp are served as part of the holiday meal. These seafood dishes represent luxury and are often enjoyed alongside other festive treats. Cultural significance. Christmas in Japan is more of a modern celebration than a religious one. It's a time for family, togetherness, and a fun, festive meal that blends traditional Japanese flavors with Western influences. 5. Lunar New Year in Vietnam, a feast of good fortune. Lunar New Year Tet in Vietnam is the most important celebration of the year. It marks the beginning of the lunar calendar and is celebrated with family reunions, feasts, and festive rituals. The food served during Tet is highly symbolic, representing wishes for health, wealth, and happiness in the coming year. Key dishes during Vietnamese Lunar New Year. Chang. This square rice cake is traditionally made with glutinous rice, mung beans, and pork. It's wrapped in banana leaves and symbolizes the earth. Chang is an important dish during Tet, representing family unity and the cycle of life. Similar to CHNG, is cylindrical in shape and typically filled with mung beans and pork. It's often eaten as part of the Tet feast and represents strength and health. Pickled onions. Pickled onions are served to cleanse the palate and symbolize longevity and good health. Tao Ko Hot Vat. This dish features braised pork cooked with hard-boiled eggs, coconut juice, and fish sauce, representing prosperity and good fortune for the year ahead. Cultural significance. The food of TGT is deeply symbolic, representing abundance, family, unity, and good fortune. Sharing these dishes with loved ones strengthens bonds and ensures a prosperous and happy new year. A world of festive feasts. From the luxurious spreads of French Christmas to the symbolic dishes of Vietnamese Tet, holiday feasts are more than just meals. They are a reflection of the culture, tradition, and values of each country. Whether it's sweet treats, savory stews, or festive cakes, the food served during holidays brings people together, celebrates abundance, and honors centuries of family traditions. Which of these holiday dishes would you love to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food adventures with Global Eats Uncovered.